testing my tent out in the backyard. It is supposed to drop down to 30 degrees. I think by 6 a.m. it's 29 degrees. Checking the weather forecast. So I just want to test my tent out and sleep tonight. In the pad, I'm gonna put all of my descriptions in of my gear here that I'm using, but I'm just gonna sleep in this tent tonight, and my sleeping bag and the pad. So wish me luck. Hey, at least I'm only 10 feet away to go inside the house if it gets too cold, right? Okay, guys, I'm gonna face this bed.
The hum of the 2024 Honda Transit echoed through the desert as I pulled into Cacho Peak State Park, a familiar landmark standing tall against the Arizona skyline. This wasn't just another ride, it was a mission. With Alaska on the horizon, it was time to put my camping gear to the test once again. Unloading the bike, I unrolled my well-worn tent, the same one that had sheltered me through past adventures. But as I crawled inside, I was once again reminded why it needed replacing. One entry, tucked at the end, not a deal breaker in the past, but out here, fumbling to get in and out just didn't cut it. For the long haul to Alaska, I need something with side-by-side doors, easier access, better ventilation, and fewer contortions in the middle of the night. Next came the sleeping bag. The old REI plus 25 degree 650 filled down bag that had seen over 2 decades of adventures. I'd already fought with the zipper during the backyard testing, as you can see in the beginning of this video, thinking I had fixed it. But tonight, under the open sky, it failed me again. The bag wouldn't zip properly, and even when I did get it closed, the insulation had lost its loft. It was time to retire this trusted companion and find a new, reliable sleeping bag that could handle the unpredictable conditions of the Alaskan wilderness. Despite these setbacks, the night wasn't wasted. I took notes on what worked, what didn't, and how I could refine my packing. There are still more trials ahead before I dial in the perfect setup, but that's part of the adventure. The Transalp needs a few more upgrades, and I still have to finalize my itinerary, but with each test run, I get one step closer of being ready for the ultimate ride north. My new motor camping tent. Which one did I pick up? Well, the search for the perfect tent wasn't easy. I had spent hours watching YouTube videos, reading reviews, and scrolling through forums looking for something that checked all the right boxes. Lightweight, spacious, durable, and easy to pack, and of course, the price. I knew my old tent have served me really well, but for the kind of adventure I had planned, I needed an upgrade. That's when I made my way to my local REI in Tucson. I had a vision of what I was looking for, and as soon as I saw it, I knew this was it. The Big Angus Copper Spur HV UL2, a two-person ultralight 3-season freestanding tent with dual doors making it easier to get in and out. This tent was everything I needed for my upcoming trips, especially my ride to Alaska. But here's the best part, the price. Originally listed at $529.95 in store and a jaw-dropping $579.95 online, I managed to snag it for just $370.93 on clearance. I was at the right place at the right time. Now the next step is testing it out. I still need to practice setting it up and figuring out how it fits into my luggage system. It should pack similar to my old Kelty tent, but I know the setup will be a bit different. I'm looking forward to getting hands-on with it, seeing how it holds up in real-world conditions, whether it's a quick weekend trip or a long-haul adventure. Might even be my backyard again. So stay tuned because the real test is coming soon. Will this tent be the ultimate motor camping shelter? I'm about to find out.